Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to log in to FedEx Company Store. To log into FedEx Company Store, the process depends on whether you are a FedEx employee or a contractor service provider. No matter what you are, you can simply follow through the instructions and watch the video till the end. First of all, open a web browser of your preference and go to the search box and type in FedEx Company Store Login and search. Now you will find yourself in the search results on the next page. Click on this link where it says THD Gear, the FedEx Company Store /welcome. Simply click on that link over there and you will end up in bdasites.com FedEx Company Store homepage. Now select your currency from the left-hand side menu and select if you'd like to log in as an employee or contractor and service provider. If you are an employee, click on Employee Login and enter your employee ID in the text box. Finally, click Login and follow through the instructions. On the next page, you might be entering your password, so type in your password correct. But remember that the password option might not be available at all the locations, so make sure you follow the instructions till the end. After you follow through the instructions till the end, you will be able to log in to FedEx Company Store as an employee. Now, if you'd like to log in as a contractor and service provider, select the Contractor and Service Providers option. Now, you can click the login button at the top right and enter your sign-in details. If you don't have the account, you can click on the sign up links available on the right-hand corner. After entering your correct credentials in the text boxes, click sign in and you will be able to log in and access your FedEx Company Store website as a contractor and service provider. So that was all for today's video. If you found the tutorial to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.